What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk to you about drop shipping items from AliExpress to your eBay account. So what drop shipping is that basically you list an item on your shop, so eBay, Shopify or any online store that you have, and the item, you do not have the actual item itself like in stock in your warehouse or with you. However, when you receive an order, you like this order will get to the supplier itself, like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping or any platform, and they will ship the item automatically. They will handle the packaging, the shipping, and so on. So you do not have anything to do anything, and you list the item on your shop with a higher price that on AliExpress, so that you can get the price different as a profit. So on eBay, what you can do on eBay if you want to list like AliExpress products. So let's go to AliExpress and let's search for a product that we like. You can search by like categories here. You're going like super dear, the plus, the new, the home and garden, like men's clothing, accessories, and so on. So let's view the accessories. Okay, so let's go with the kids' sunglasses. Okay, here you have many kids' sunglasses to choose from. Let's say we like this one that folds. So here you, unfortunately, here you have the option to import to Deezers. If you have a Shopify account, you can push this product to Deezers. I'll talk to you about that in a bit. However, so the short answer is that you cannot directly like link items from AliExpress to eBay. eBay doesn't allow you to add or list items from AliExpress or any other drop shipping platform directly to your eBay store. However, what you can do if you still want to add this item and sell it on your eBay store is that you can add the item manually. So download the images here from AliExpress, and you can copy the descriptions also. Let's go back to eBay and let's go to my eBay selling, and here list items and start selling. Click on learn more, and here you can list an item. The very first option is to list an item. Okay, let's tell us about what you're selling. So kids sunglasses, okay, and category like accessories. Okay, sunglasses, that's good enough. No match found, so you can continue without matching since you are listing your own product. New with tags, new without tags. Okay, new without tags. New defect, no, it's brand new. And then you can start listing. So here you get this page, the new listing page. So you will add here photos and videos of your product, and in these like photos and videos, you want to go ahead to the like AliExpress webpage and go ahead and get the pictures that are listed on AliExpress here and download them and add them to your eBay store, so that you can have all the photos here. For the item title, we will go back again and copy the title from AliExpress here to eBay. So basically what you are doing here is manually listing the item on your eBay store, the category, the brand, the frame color, the type, and so on. All these details you will copy from the product page on AliExpress. The specs, like the material, the gender, the frame material, and any description you will copy here from AliExpress and paste it into your eBay store. Okay, so here you are listing the item manually on your eBay store. Okay, and like you can see the theme, style, frame material, and anything. So here the condition is brand new and description. The pricing here, you want to view the pricing on like this. So it shows here in Egyptian pounds since my location is in Egypt. So let's change it to US dollars. Okay, save, and it should now show the price in US dollars. So It's your 137 and free shipping. Okay, and you can get discounts and coupons. However, we are interested in the price, so 137. Let's go back to eBay, and now the pricing. Starting bid, let's say for $3, and right now for $3.80, and the reserve price, let's see, this is, so you are selling it for a higher price than the AliExpress. However, I got to tell you to make sure to add in the description that the item will be shipped from China. Is shipped from China, not directly through eBay, so that when your customer gets the item, it will not be packaged in eBay. So your customer might be confused. And what you are doing basically is that you are listing the item manually on your eBay, and once you get an order, you have to go manually to AliExpress and create an order for this item, and fill in the customer details that he entered on your eBay store, the customer address and every detail, and the phone number and so on, so that the item is shipped directly from AliExpress to your customer. So that is not like drop shipping. Basically, that's not drop shipping. However, that is a way if you still want to sell items from AliExpress and sell them and list them on your eBay store. So you have to state that this item is shipped from China, and estimate shipping time is like 30 days or more. Here in the item page, you should see like the shipping option. So that estimate delivery is like December 28th. So that's after 2 months from now. So it can get up to 60 days, right? So that's not a good thing. However, you should state on your eBay page that the item can take 30 days or more in the shipping, so that the customer who asked for, who like buys the item, knows that. Okay, so and you can continue with your description. So here, once you finish all the details, you can save here the item and list it for free to list the item here. So another way, or a better alternative in my opinion, is to create your own online store. So create like a Shopify store here, and you can directly, in this case, unlike eBay that doesn't accept, as I told you, accept like directly listing items from AliExpress, you can create your own Shopify store and link your Deezers account, create an account on Deezers. So Deezers is like basically the AliExpress like plugin or integration that you can integrate with Shopify and other platforms. So once you go to Shopify and go to the online store, you can search for Deezers in the online store here. Okay, and you can download the Deezers app. That's the Deezer AliExpress dropshipping. That's an app like created by that can automatically integrate with AliExpress, so that once you install it, you can import and list items from AliExpress directly into your Shopify account or Shopify store and sell them. So that's the alternative way of like selling items on your or your store, on your store, and get them from AliExpress. So however, if you still want to do that on eBay, you should, as I told you, state that the item is listed, is shipped from China, and it has longer shipping times. And once you get an order on eBay, you will automatically, not automatically, sorry, you should manually go to AliExpress and ship the order to the customer's address. So that was like a quick overview on how to add items from AliExpress to your eBay store.